Kurgo CoPilot bucket seat cover for dogs, waterproof, stain resistant, and machine washable. Protect your bucket seat. Keep your car bucket seats free of dog fur, mud, and dirt. Auto seat cover slips over the entire bucket seat for a snug fit, protecting both the front and back of the seat. Water and stain resistant. The water and stain resistant universal car seat cover is ready to take on dirt. Piped panels keep dirt and water from rolling off the seat cover and onto your carpeting. Hand wash or spot clean as needed. Extra storage pocket. Includes a large bottom pocket to accommodate all your traveling needs. Store treats, food, toys, or a dog leash so you're always prepared on the go. Size and fit. This cover will fit seat 17-21 wide. Includes straps around the seat and under the seat to keep the cover secured in place. Product measurements: 21W×60H from top of headrest to bottom of seat. Please measure your bucket seat before purchase.